and don't react to the comment. Don't just when some people make some talk, make them stay.
All right. Thanks for logging into the Mr. Show. Jamaica, the best place in the world.
And this
Lots of great things about Jamaica. Some Jamaica comedy, Jamaica play. She goes to the visa store 17 times denied.
And sis, even if they won't give you a blind, you have a clean page, definitely a passport.
Log it in. Kendra G gets fed up with the amount of women that has 2-3 baby daddies with all these kids.
How many men?
3.
Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have 3.
All by the same man?
No.
How many men?
3 different men.
All right, so you're done now.
Down. Ain't no man.
Very good.
Nothing that come around gonna make her switch up on you.
Okay. Keep the link. Keep the link right here. It's the Mr. Show.
Visitors. And the vibe is unmatched across the entire Caribbean. I don't care what you say. So when you say I know nothing about the Caribbean,
Jamaica,
I stand to correct you, sir.
All right, let's get into it. It's the Mr. Show. More fire. To all Jamaicans, big up on yourself.
Say more fire. Say more fire.
Prophet. Yeah. All who say they want to come to foreign, they want to come to Canada, they want to come to Jersey, New York, and them thing. We have big snow over here, you know. So if you want to come to Canada, he's got some advice for you. He's got some advice for you. Let's go.
I require a walkway.
Bumbo clot, man. Welcome to Canada, Jamaican. I don't want to come, see it here? I don't want to come, you know, like this. Put on the blood clot shoes and grab a shovel and come.
Right?
I need a special walkway so I can help.
She can help. Member people, say it's like minus 30, minus 20 outside. I don't know if you know what that even feel like while he's shoveling.
You completely forget about the breakup, then this music bring you back to reality.
You ever get one music where really take you back to the ex-relationship? You want me now? Jamaicans.
The 2 most superior Caribbean islands.
Oh boy. Now my girl here, she cool with it. She look like a Douglas. Eh? Half Indian, half black. Trinidad and Jamaica link up in a one. Let's hear what she has to say. Because she now hold it back. She now hold back. None at all. Let's go.
2 most superior Caribbean islands. I will on this hill. I will. I absolutely will.
Okay.
You can't tell me the most goated island, Jamaica.
Goated.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Trinidad, Tobago, and Jamaica. Goated. It's a new term. I don't know about goat, you know, greatest of all time, but what is the ED? What is the E? What's the ED?
You're invalid. I can't take you serious. Take you serious.
Right?
Yeah, superior. Jamaica, Trinidad, superier. Yeah. I'm better than you.
She's corrupted.
Jamaica to Haiti.
Ain't no lie. Big up Jamaica, big up Trinidad, big up St. Lucia, big up all of the islands in the Caribbean. Of course, Haiti. And when I say big up, special shout out to Captain Traore in Africa over in Burkina Faso. Yeah. All right, people. This story you have to know. The man named Dutty Boukman. Seeing it was a Jamaican Maroon Dutty Boukman, and he's the one that freed all the slaves, started the uprising that led to the Haitian Revolution and Haitian independence. So big up all the Haiti people, them Haiti, Dominican Republic. You better have some respect, FAFO, right? Big up all the people them from Trinidad, St. Lucia, Barbados, Antigua, Dominica. We said that already. Let's get going into the video. One time, we're just going to learn about Dutty Boukman. Here we go now. Dutty Boukman, big up your damn self, my brother. Let's go.
Meet Dutty Boukman, the Boukman who sparked the fight for Haiti's independence, taken from West Africa and sold to the French colony of Saint-Domingue, present-day Haiti. Boukman used his roles as coachman and commander to move between plantations, quietly building unity and courage among the enslaved. In August 1791 at Bois Caïman,
I ain't seen in a couple of days. What's been happening?
and days later, the North erupted, plantations burned, and the largest slave uprising in the Americas began. Boukman was that same year, but the spark he lit didn't die. It grew
R.I.P. Dutty Boukman.
into the revolution that created the world's first black republic, Haiti, from Jamaica to Haiti.
But in general,
All right, so big up yourself, Dutty Boukman. If you did not know that history about, Jamaicans and how influential they were in the uprising of, getting out of slavery, independence. Now, this lady goes to Jamaica all the time, and she's got something to say. Let's go.
Jamaican people love their visitors. And the vibe is unmatched across the entire Caribbean.
Not true.
I don't care what you say.
Not true. Clap.
So when you say I know nothing about the Caribbean, I stand to correct you, sir. Jamaica may not be the only place in the Caribbean, but it is the best place if you want to have a good time and a good party vibe and memories to last a lifetime. Jamaica's the one.
Nice.
And let's take it a different, a step further now.
All right, because there was an argument with Barbados, Bahamas people. I said some things, and I guess he's addressing it. And big up Bahamas and big up the Barbados and Bermuda people them too, Big them.
Let's go a little bit further. Everywhere in the world you go, even for China, you have a DJ over China, right? A dance and I go out with himself, I do whole heap of Jamaican dance and Jamaican challenges. And them a chat patois. They want to be Jamaicans. You go over Switzerland and you go on party. Any other Caribbean country you mention, they scratch them head. Once it's a Jamaica, they say, Bamwali, oh yes, they want to be a friend. Any white friend you have, they want to be a friend to a Jamaican. If the maids me I try say. So you see this whole Jamaica versus Bahamas thing. Sometimes when you just leave some people be and don't react to the comment. Don't just leave. When some people make some talk, make them stay.
And this
Wagwan, yes, sir.
oh my goodness. We can also.
Did you know chocolate milk was invented in Jamaica?
What? Did you know that? Check this out. That chocolate milk was invented in Jamaica. Hold on, let's catch back the bad fowl. Check this out. Let's go, bad fowl.
Oh my goodness. We can also.
Did you know chocolate milk was invented in Jamaica?
Yep, today you learn something new. Yep, Jamaica, we little but with talawa.
Talawa?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
It mean we're small but we're mighty. A lot of cool things come from Jamaica. Stay tuned for more.
You go down?
No, you don't.
No, I don't go down.
You don't ever.
All right, grown folks conversation. Yeah, she looks like she's interviewing an Jamaican man. It looked like she's in England, and she'll come ask him if he goes down. So let's hear how he responds.
Check this out.
Never.
Never.
It's a great place, you know. You'll have so much fun.
Where? Hell?
Swimming.
Hell?
That icks me out.
I mean heaven.
Hell?
Yeah.
But it's not hell when you're inside.
Who is inside?
When you're inside.
John?
Huh? Would you ever?
Never,
Why?
ever.
What is this whole stigma against it?
It's not a stigma though.
You man would actually love it here.
Like you're born in a Christianity.
Right.
I'm born in a them ways there, so. And me and them Monday.
What if you was married, yeah, and your wife was like, look,
My wife?
I want you to try.
First thing, that's why we're dating first.
Yeah.
Check this out.
Smart.
Before she
So
becomes
you
my wife, she has
wouldn't
to
marry
know.
someone that would... What? I don't understand. I feel like you'd have a great time.
great time at the party, not down there.
No, you'd have a great time. You'd probably have a better time down there than at the
Here,
party.
let's change the topic. Let's change that.
All right, gone and I've some Jamaican comedy, and this is a good one still. I don't know exactly the comedy show it's from, but this lady goes to get a visa. A visa. And she's denied how many times? Let's go.
Up at the US Embassy. For the what?
What then do up at US Embassy, Larry? Sell patty?
You have a better chance to get a patty for buy an embassy than get a visa. How much time you applied for visa already?
We can't hear you.
I said 17.
17? Better than 17 times them stand declining your book. And sis, even if them won't give you a blind, you having a clean page, definitely a passport for them stamp the visa pan. 17. Sis, if them have no party up at the US Embassy, bring 2 for me.
Opening Boxing Day.
The Blue Mountains.
All right. Oh, God. Man, cold. All right, we're going to give you 6 or maybe 7 facts about Jamaica right now. So if you don't know these things about Jamaica, then please tune in and listen, especially if you are of Jamaican descent, or like myself, I'm born in Jamaica, but, you know, we grew up a foreign, so sometimes you might forget certain things. Portland, St. Mary, St. Thomas, St. Andrew, Morant Bay, Yalas, Port Anthony, Spadila, Shrewsbury, Swift River, Hope Bay, Anata Bay, saying all these places, enough respect and big up, you see me? Big up all Jamaicans around the world. Let's get some amazing facts about Jamaica.
Jamaica are famous for their coffee, which is considered some of the best in the world.
For real.
Jamaica's national symbol is the...
Yo, quick story. In my personal life, I do DJ work, right? And I was in Italy one time, rewind. I was in Italy one time and I saw a big lineup and I'm like, yo, what's up with this lineup? What is this lineup? What's it about? Why is it so big? And when I went to take a look, they were lining up for coffee. And I'm like, okay, maybe we should get some of this coffee. When we look, it was Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. They were all lining up. And this is when I was in not Rome. What name again, man? Firenze. What name? Florence, Italy. So I just wanted to pass that information along. It was a great experience and a great thing to see the people that line up around the corner in Italy for Jamaican coffee. Let's go.
Are famous for their coffee, which is considered some of the best in the world. Jamaica's national symbol is the swallowtail hummingbird, which...
Hold on, it's the red streamer, it's the red-billed streamer tail, aka the doctor bird. So I don't know if the swallow-tailed hummingbird is from another region, but they say that this doctor bird is indigenous to Jamaica, meaning it's only found on the island of Jamaica. So I don't know if the swallowtail where him go say, or if it's really the red-billed streamer tail, aka our doctor bird. So we don't know exactly which one. Let's get some research and get some information on that one. Big up on ourselves, all Jamaicans. Let's go.
Are famous for their coffee, which is considered some of the best in the world.
Right.
Jamaica's national symbol is the swallowtail hummingbird, which is found only on the island. Jamaica is a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors with its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and vibrant culture. Jamaica is the third largest island in the Caribbean, with an area of 4,244 square miles. Jamaica is home to several popular tourist destinations, including Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, and Negril. The Jamaica Defense Force is one of the few militaries in the world that includes a dedicated musical unit, the Jamaica Military Band.
Well, you should know that already still. But I did some research, and there are a lot of countries, even me here in Canada, we've got a Canadian marching band, and for a lot of countries do actually have a musical unit.
The capital of Jamaica is Kingston, which is also the largest city on the island.
Right.
And number one,
food in Jamaica. Food from around the world. And this foodie here goes around the world testing out food. So Ima says South Africa is number 5. Ima says Italy is number 4. I agree. Italy has some really good food. I've never been to Vietnam. He said 3 for Vietnam. 2nd is Thailand. And what?
Is Jamaica.
Number 1 is Jamaica food.
It's absolutely incredible. Try the oxtail, try the rice with it. Oh my days, is it good. Try the saltfish, which is basically the national dish.
We love our saltfish. Pick up all the Aki people them.
The flavors there are out of this world, and I didn't even know they exist. Eating with locals in a place like Jamaica is spectacular. The flavors are incredible. The chili is amazing, and the overall taste and cuisine is just out of this world. Out of the 25 countries, more or less, that I've been to, those are the 5 countries with the best food, and I would eat those cuisines any day of the week.
Love to see when Jamaica is on the list of something positive, something amazing, right? And something great. Let's go.
Do you have any kids?
Yeah, I do.
How many kids?
5.
All right, Kendra G, she gets fed up. We're going to do a calculation at the end of this clip.
All about the same man?
No.
How many men?
4. 4 different.
Why are these questions so hard for you to answer?
They're not hard for me to answer at all.
Do you have any kids?
I do have kids.
No kids. You said
No,
you
no.
have kids?
I said I do have kids.
How many kids?
I have 4 boys.
And a 1-year-old. Same dad?
No.
How many dads?
I have 3, Kendra.
3 dads. So why are you not with the 1-year-old dad?
The truth or a lie? Which one?
The truth.
It was a one-night stand.
A one-night stand and you got pregnant?
I did.
Do y'all co-parent well?
No.
Yo, killing me with this.
I'm 25.
25. What you do for a living, honey?
I am a worker.
So what kind of worker are you?
I've done pro, so I've done pro videos. I started off as a cam model doing the online thing. Currently, I'm just more into dancing these days because I'm on hiatus. Trying to find something else to get into or just jump back into my old habits.
Jump back into her old habits as a corn star, right? Damn it, boy. And she's on Kendra G's show looking for a man for a real serious relationship. And she's got these kids, these extra baby daddies, and she a SEX worker. And she has no ambition other than to jump into more SEX work. Yeah. Jeez.
So you're a star?
Yeah.
Do you have any children?
I do.
How many?
3.
Are they all by the same man?
No.
How many men?
3.
You have any kids?
Yes, I have 4.
4 kids. Same dad?
No.
How many dads?
3.
Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have 4.
Are they all by the same man?
No.
How many men?
3.
Unfortunately, that just was not what panned out and the choices that happened. 5.
You mentioned kids. How many kids do you have, baby girl?
I have 4.
They all by the same man?
No, ma'am.
How many men?
3.
Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have 3.
All by the same man?
No.
How many men?
3 different men.
Do you have any kids?
I do.
How many kids?
I have 4.
All by the same man?
She's corrupted.
3.
I got 3. I got a 10-year-old, a 1-year-old, and a 4-month-old.
Do they all have the same dad?
No, I got 3 baby daddies.
We can't wash men off. Period. No, I need you to hear me. We cannot wash men off. There will always be a remnant of the men that we've been with inside of our bodies for life. So if you are just filled with all of these different people, you know how many different soul ties, demon spirits you got in your body?
But so do men, though.
No, men can wash us off.
See? Women don't understand that. But what she just said was FAXX, FAS, FACTS, facts.
Yeah. It's so I'm just letting you know it's women out there that really is about their man. Like I don't have it's nothing nobody I don't care how much money you have.
Good.
I done been around all the money. I done been around all the fame.
All right. Good to see. It's refreshing to see. Let me get a small clap for that because it's good to see. Refreshing to see. It's that, you know, a good looking woman still will ride for her man, yo. That don't happen no more. Let's go.
I done seen men that got more, less, whatever, that didn't you know, I get people trying to talk to me all the different stuff like that. But it's like I'm not one of them girls. And when you get a good woman that is it's for you, like that's gonna hold you down 10 toes down. Ain't no man gonna nothing that come around gonna make her switch up on you.
Okay. All right. Let's get into some Ampiano. I like Ampiano. Out of all of the African beats, I think I like Ampiano the best. Let's get into it.
that's gonna hold you down 10 toes down. Ain't no man
Very good.
nothing that
Wow.
come around gonna make her switch up on you.
Okay.
Whoa. That wasn't a message from Sizzla.
Like a pussy one.
Okay, cool. This is a message from Sizzla. Let's go.
Who the white man them praise. Somebody with white like them and them ear look like them. Look who the China praise. Look who the Indian praise.
Right.
So why the me the black man can't praise a black god?
Uh-huh. Honestly. You guys heard that, right? Did he say anything wrong? Let's go. Message coming up from Sizzla.
Look who the white man them praise. Somebody with white like them and them ear look like them. Look who the China praise. Look who the Indian praise. So why the me the black man can't praise a black god?
More fire!
That's no mama.
Lightning!
Jamaican monster!
When it was going in, it said to us,
All right. People, you never see a blouse and skirt Rastaman arguing with a rabbi. You never said it before. So this Rastaman now is with the rabbi, and the rabbi tell him certain things. Rabbi says that him are the priest. Rastaman said, well, he's the prophet. Let's go.
take off our hat. So when we reach in there, I said to him, how you don't take off your hat? When it was going in, it said to us, take off our hat. So when we reach in there, I said to him, how you don't take off your hat? He said, I am the priest. So I said to him, I am the prophet.
More fire!
He said, prophet who? I said, prophet Rasta.
More fire!
Priest who?
More fire!
And he shut up, he can't answer. We are the prophets in this time. They are the priests who blaspheme and kill Christ and put him in that place.
More fire!
And now they stand up inside here trying to tell us how to move, when to move. You know what I mean? What to wear going there and all this shit.
More fire!
And him have on his hat in there.
Gotta love it. And thanks for logging in. Just give me a little small like now. Give me some subscribe energy. And link up next time. It's the Mr. Show. Give thanks and praise for life. More fire.